In this video, let's take a look at how to draw our flow. So I'm going to go into Create Geometry Box, and there are different couple of different types of flow finishes here. The one is the plinth, and then there should be a finish for the living area and then the bathroom area. Now we can't just draw the flow with the roof here. Either we hide the roof or just move it. I think moving it might be easier. So I'm gonna go in, start adding my my flows. So box. I'm gonna create a plinth. Just eyeball it for now. Just eyeball the plinth like so. There needs to be some sort of a, yeah, I think that's good enough for the plinth. And then I want another finish here for the living area. There needs to be a different finish, so that's gonna be that's gonna come up. As you can see in the front elevation, there should be a small indent here. So let's also make it go right there. So that's how it's gonna look like. And I think adjust it a little bit. Oop. Just a tad. There you go. That looks fine. Then for the bathroom area, I want another flow. So I'm going to go here and add a different flow finish here. Just a bit higher than that. Or lower. There you go. So that's our bathroom flow finish. It's lower than the living room finish, so I think might need to adjust it just a little bit so everything works perfectly. Let's increase its width. Oh, there you go. I think that should work. So here we go. Bathroom is there's a level difference between the bathroom and the living room, so that's how the flow is going to be. And we can move this. Oop. Just move it on top like so. Make sure it's placed correctly. See our elevations. There we go. That looks good. And let's go into our layers and undo the transparency here. Oh, so the flows, we need to add another layer. So let's create a new layer. Let's make it, let's call it flow, and I think I put it here. So these are the flows that I have. What's this one? There you go. So that's that bathroom one. This is the living room one. This is the plinth. That's the roof. So maybe the roof needs to be in its own separate layer. Let's add roof. Create layer. It's messing up a little bit. There you go. Rename roof. Alright, I think that's pretty much it. Let's go and change the wall properties, display properties, see through, disable. So that's how it's gonna look like.